Hi everyone, today we're diving into the Lumineux Favorites Kit, a peroxide-free whitening system designed by top dentists. This kit includes 7 whitening treatments, a whitening pen, hydrating mouthwash, whitening toothpaste, and a bamboo toothbrush for complete oral care. It supports healthy enamel and gums while whitening teeth gently without causing sensitivity. If you suffer from dry mouth, the hydrating mouthwash helps moisturize tissues for lasting comfort day and night. Lumineux's formula is backed by over 60 clinical studies proving it improves tooth and gum health effectively. The refreshing mouthwash features a minty fresh flavor from mint essential oils and mineral-rich ingredients. This professional-grade kit removes plaque and tough stains, leaving you with a clean, bright smile. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.